Malishka, remember 2G cell phones?
Yeah.
Serious journalism died with 2G.
क्या बोल रहे हो यार? This is what we want.
No personal makeup artists, no spot boys,
Yeah.
no cell phones on set.
वीर, आपने बहुत समय लगा अपनी फर्स्ट फिल्म बनाने में.
And you really need to be gutsy to be making a film like this because ये कोई बनाता नहीं है. Everybody falls into this trap of commercial films.
जो edgy dude bros है ना, everybody is edgy until a girl kisses you once. Pakistan I've not been to. Everybody keeps telling me to go. I said on policy, if I talk about issues, I use my own platform and I never use another person's platform. There is no okay comedy. It either made you laugh or it did not make you laugh. So you either love a comedian or you hate a comedian. Happy Patel का logline ये है कि two British MI5 agents एक brown baby ले जाते हैं in 1989. वो गोवा में shootout चल रहा है. My mother gets shot and they take a brown baby to England. And they raise me as Happy Patel. खुश हूँ, बेवकूफ हूँ, बैले करता हूँ, सैंडविचेस बनाता हूँ, एक कैफे चलाता हूँ.
No, Happy Patel is looking like so much fun. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Also, must give it up for Veer Das, first time film director.
Yes.
Co-director, me and Kavi Shastri.
Of course, yes.
And we, if you want to know who Kavi Shastri is, आप एक गाना देख लीजिए, Can We Twist?
Correct.
Remember Saif?
Of course.
तो मैं सैफ के इस तरफ नाच रहा हूँ and Kavi सैफ के उस तरफ नाच रहा है. And when we were out of focus behind Saif, we thought of this movie.
Are you serious?
On the sets of Love Aaj Kal.
I do. That's. It's been a while.
It's been a long time.
I could start with so many questions, but now that you've led with that, damn it, I'll have to go there first. So tell us कि वीर, आपने बहुत समय लगा अपनी फर्स्ट फिल्म बनाने
है ना?
But do you think that कि आपके वॉइस को थोड़ी शार्पनिंग की जरूरत थी? Something that comedy did for you, that writing did. क्या हुआ?
I've not been in a movie in 9 years, if you think about it. And I think 9 साल पहले I did a movie and I was like, ये थोड़ा global opportunity आया है stand up के लिए and it's time to pursue this. This idea didn't leave me and then उसके बाद थोड़ा cancel भी हुआ, वापस भी आया, गोवा भी गया, थोड़ा बैठा underground for 2 years and then after that when I came back I was like, I'm going to do a movie. And this took 3 years to put together, yeah. तो time लगता है.
Okay, so it's not as serious as I imagined. I was like, Veer is sharpening his voice, doing his other things.
No, the film is called Happy Patel Khatarnak Just. It's not my voice at all.
But what a fab star cast you have, and I have to tell you something जो मैंने हर फ्रेम में नोटिस किया, क्या हाइपर मैस्कुलिन फिल्म बना रहे हो भाई, क्या मस्त है. मतलब इस दुनिया में like somebody put under your comments कि क्या 2 ही स्पाइस निकले हैं दुनिया, हमजा अली मजारी और एक है हैप्पी पटेल.
मेरी जो फिल्म है, जो धुरंधर का बजट है, मेरा फिल्म उसके केटरिंग बजट से कम है.
There is no way. Look at the
तो मेरा पूरा प्रोजेक्ट एवरीथिंग उनके केटरिंग उनके बना पाव से कम है. So I think वो लीग्स है हमारी. So
listen, the star cast you have with you, हमारी मोना सिंह, there is no chance catering के बजट में मान जाती. ये हमारी मिथिला पालकर
जो कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया है इन्होंने,
जो compromise किया इन्होंने, क्या बोल रहे हो यार? This is what we want.
no personal makeup artists, no spot boys,
Yeah.
no cell phones on set,
अरे.
just actors together. बहुत अच्छा vibe था.
बहनों, मतलब it's a possibility for Bollywood to do this, sir.
Yeah, absolutely.
Very. And it's so much fun to do that, actually. आपको क्या लगा? What was it like just saying yes to this?
Yeah, honestly, see, I have never cared about personal makeup artist and all that because मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I don't want to look like me when I'm playing a character, है ना? I don't want to look like me. Other fun क्या है, नहीं तो हर पिक्चर में आपको सुंदर ही दिखना है और अपने जैसा ही दिखना है, तो what's the point है? You look like the character जो लिखा गया है आपके लिए. And then of course Veer and Kavi, I met them इनके बैंड्रा ऑफिस में. बड़ा ही कूल सा पैड था. फिर हमने वहाँ पे सीन्स पढ़े, फिर मूवी की नरेशन सुनी. I bloody loved it. I was like, wow, somebody is finally making something like this. And you really need to be gutsy to be making a film like this because ये कोई बनाता नहीं है. Everybody falls into this trap of commercial films कि इसमें ये गाना होगा, ये होगा, action होगा, ये चलेगी. But to make something like this which is so funny and people to just go and switch off, forget about their problems, have a good time, get entertained, laugh about it and come back home. And for me, I have never played a character like this who is so mad. Mama, she's so mad. And I don't know what Veer saw in me कि villain का role मुझे मिला है पहली बार.
Needed some पागलपन, eyes के पीछे पागलपन, you know what I mean?
बहुत पागलपन की है मैंने and I loved being a part of it, yeah.
My favorite thing about her look is like 40 tattoos, कुछ ऐसा लगा है.
40-50 tattoos है मेरे ऊपर.
tattoos. And my favorite thing is She's got a tattoo here that says "I love Rosie" और इस हाथ पे "Rest in peace, Rosie."
और यहाँ पे बड़ा सा only God can judge me.
Yeah.
Yeah. And she loves cooking. She's
हाँ.
so feminine. पहली बार, you know, ऐसी एक villain बनी है who's so feminine. She loves wearing her pink attire. Her house is all pink. Her goons are dressed up in pink shirts and all.
ट्रेलर के हर frame में there are women everywhere. There's one frame I think where there were all men and I was like, oh, but there are women. There is क्या रहा है Veer? Before I go to them, you must tell me what.
Okay,
कौन मानूंगी?
On average, statistically, women are better actors than men.
Oh.
That is
Take about
that is
ladies.
one, right? Secondly, I don't think यार masculinity जो असली masculinity है चिल्लाई नहीं जाती है. You know what I mean? थोड़ी casual से होती है, थोड़ी confident सी होती है, थोड़ी gentle सी होती है. तो हमारी फिल्म में वो masculinity है, थोड़ी gentle सी है. And I like reversing gender roles and being secure in that also, यार. I like putting Mithila on a chair and saying आप ये दारू लीजिए, आप ये पैसा लीजिए, आप ये बीड़ी लीजिए, आप ये बंदूक लीजिए, मैं आपके लिए नाचूंगा. Kind of like that, and I think there's something masculine to that too, yeah.
I'm telling you, and I want to ask the women about who an alpha male is eventually, because आजकल के the fixation and the way the world seems to be moving, there is no space for voices of women or seemingly even men who are talking about women in this way. So I'm very glad you're making this film. I hope you make 20 more. Do you have not 20 more ideas like this?
I think, look, जो edgy dude bros है ना, everybody's edgy until a girl kisses you once, right? Then all the edge shoots out of your body. So I've touch wood been with a woman long enough and been around women long enough. मेरी masculinity थोड़ी बदल गई.
हाय हाय 4 बार तुम्हारी पलाएं ले लूं मैं और इनके ऊपर डाल दूं. Mithila, by the way, I realize has just completed 10 years since that famous Tup song.
It's one way to make me feel old.
Age is really just a number. So you are slapping him a lot. I heard कि इसने actually तुम्हें चाटे मारे तुम्हें मजे आ रहे हैं, and I'm seeing that तुम्हें मजा आ रहा है. So the
I
song.
mean, you're making it sound kinkier than it is.
I don't mind if it's just a kink also. It's cool. Fair enough.
Some people put on a bunny rabbit costume. No judgment. है. ऐसा zip के ऊपर आते हैं.
Mithila, tell me about him approaching you and like what was and who are you? मतलब I know who you are, but like it started. I was like, she is very naughty. Do I remember? Who is she?
See, none of these characteristics are what I have played before. So that was an easy, like, for me, it was like on laid to me on a platter.
हाँ.
कि अरे ये आपको प्ले करना है रोल और मैं किसी कॉमेडी फिल्म का पार्ट नहीं रही हूँ पहले.
Really?
Yeah, I've not done a comedy. They put little things in the rom-com category, but I just
Your
think
comedy chops are solid, yeah. Oh, you know, yeah.
thanks. Also, like these guys were making it. I already like so the script was solid and the people, the makers were solid, and these are two things that I always put them on a pedestal. Everything else are fringe elements. ये सब के personal makeup artist नहीं था वो सब
Correct.
is all like it's very secondary to what the main element
So you
is.
guys really believe in this film. Obviously, आप लोगों ने देखी है, मजेदार है क्या?
They're going to see it in 5 days. Srushti is, I think, the one cast member जो before we even auditioned, I was like, मुझको ये चाहिए फिल्म में. I saw मैं नहीं तो कौन बे. I saw a clip and I was like, some undeniable artist energy is in their own. We have to put her in the movie. So I think audition से पहले she had the role, right?
Bro.
And the second is the reason she doesn't know is Srushti आती है 6 बजे का कॉल टाइम है आती है 6 बजे and she'll go to sleep till 7 o'clock. Like every young person does, she goes to bed at 3 o'clock in the morning and then goes to sleep from 6 to 7. Then all of her makeup is done while she's asleep.
अभी मैं मेरे मुंह पे थोड़ा थोड़ा मेकअप है तो नहीं पता चल रहा होगा. मैं सोती ही नहीं हूँ और वो पता चलता है.
Okay.
Yeah, when we would be waiting for our shots and if we were in our vanities and just waiting, she would knock on my door and come, मला कंटाळा आलाय, can I come sit? And then we would just play what.
हमने सारे गाने सुने हैं सृष्टि के. She's so good, so entertaining. और फिर ये हर शॉट के पहले पूछती थी यहाँ से भी लेंगे. मैंने कहा हाँ ये शूटिंग है. अब ये तो मैंने कर चुकी हूँ, दोबारा क्यों कर रहे हैं?
Thank you for your patience, ladies and gentlemen.
She was cast before the film started, before any audition.
I have to tell you, but I want to tell you about stories with everyone, but I do want to start with Mona because it's so fab to see your career going into this trajectory. भाई साहब, तो मैं कहानी सुनाऊंगी. I don't know. So I was an intern at Prahlad Kakkar's, okay, and मेरे पास बहुत सारी फोटोज. इंटर्न का क्या काम होता था? To get बेइज्जत basically. एंड देन टू मतलब आप लोग देख लो कास्टिंग के लिए, तो कास्टिंग में से बड़े सारे फाइल्स आते थे एंड दे वुड टेक ओपन दीस फाइल्स, सम वुड गेट थ्रोन। तो मैंने मोना सिंह का चेहरा देखा, मेरे को क्या ब्यूटी है बॉय। I took out her thing, I'm very careful, and I pushed. I was like, I don't know who, we didn't know who she was. She was new. And I was like, I think you did that ad. I don't remember. Was it Cadbury chocolate?
No,
कुछ
I
तो
didn't
था।
do that ad.
कुछ तो था।
मैंने ऑडिशन किया था बट मुझे मिला नहीं था वो. हाँ.
I was like, I followed her. I was like, कितनी सुंदर. I was intern. If I was Prahlad Kakkar, I would have given her only. But like, over the years, of course, then I saw him Jassi looking like that. I was like, how is she morphing into these people? And then recently, Bhai Sahab, what has been happening? You worked with Amir Khan before.
Yeah.
You know, so is that has Amir Khan also been like Mona Singh is, you know, top of mind for every role that I might think of that is a little.
No, yeah, there's nothing like that. But I think there's just great camaraderie after, you know, doing Three Idiots and of course Lal Singh Chadda.
Correct.
जब आप failure साथ में देखते हैं ना, तो I think it just brings you more closer. It does. So I think that's what happened with us during Lal Singh. And उसके बाद I was approached for Happy Patel and I was more than happy to collaborate again with.
At your Lal Singh gathering.
At our Lal Singh gathering.
You got poached at the Laji Lal.
So we had just started working with Amir,
yes.
so he had just greenlit the movie. What I loved about it is Lal Singh, of course the fate of the film was the fate of the film, but he's like, no, we should still get together. We should all celebrate.
Yeah.
उनका छोटा सा celebration था, and then I went up to him and I'm like, I really have something exciting. Please give me some time. And then when we wrote it, we went back.
Yeah.
How did Amir, you know, I saw the teaser before the trailer, and then Amir was doped out. You बहुत मार खाया तुमने वीर इसमें.
He's also strong, yeah. You know what I mean? He's surprisingly strong.
He's like, this film has to work on the
The Gajni has not left him. He's still in the
What happened? Tell us कैसे हुआ? आमिर खान ने क्या बोला कि भाई तू कर दे मेरे को लाल सिंह चड्ढा के बाद तू चाहिए मजेदार. क्या हुआ क्या था?
It's a very chill story. I have not spoken to him. Last time बात हुई थी 2012 में when Delhi Valley came out. And then in 2023 I called him up.
Oh.
And so it's been 11 साल के बाद. And he picked it up जैसे हम हर हफ्ते बात करते हैं. हाँ वीर, what's up? So I said, sir, I have a film. And अगर आप नहीं बनाओगे कोई नहीं बनाएगा. I think आप ही को समझ में आएगी. And he's like, no pressure. अच्छा, come next week. Right? तो came next week, gave him a narration. He's like, हाँ अच्छा है. ये दो चीज ठीक कर स्टोरी में. We came back after 2 weeks. Then he's like, अच्छा एक काम कर, मैं थोड़े पैसे देता हूँ. Go and shoot 6 scenes of the movie. और मुझको कुछ नहीं चाहिए ना, मेकअप नहीं चाहिए, लाइटिंग नहीं चाहिए, प्रोडक्शन डिजाइन नहीं चाहिए. तू अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ कर ले, सेल फोन पे शूट कर दे. आई डोंट केयर, आई जस्ट वांट टू सी कि तुम लोग डायरेक्ट कर सकते हो कि नहीं. यू नो व्हाट इज दिस थिंग. सो आई वाज लाइक, ठीक है यार, मैं जाके सेल फोन पे शूट करता हूँ. देन आई कॉल्ड अप अद्वैत हु डायरेक्टेड लाल सिंह चड्ढा एंड आई वाज लाइक, हाँ यार मैं I'll shoot it on a cell phone. He's like, तेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया. Produce it, light it, do everything, production design it. So we did that. Shot 6 scenes. Waited 4 months to meet Amir sir. After 4 months, you know, you've heard legendary कि Amir के discussions होते हैं, ये होता है, वो होता है, etc. etc. He just sat in the cinema, देखा. Okay, go on floor.
Oh.
And then we did 3-4 more narrations for tweaking of this thing, and then he showed up as an actor. Hey, but by the way, Amir Khan, you know, the biggest star, etc., etc., etc. Half an hour early. The entourage waits outside. I've never seen anything like it.
So that's always the case with him.
It's incredible.
And he's a tremendous storyteller as well. We went to interview him. We sat for 6 hours and he talked to us about. So I can imagine how it must have been. It's very collaborative, very storytelling oriented.
At the end of the day, when he comes as an actor, तो थोड़ी फटती है ना. At the end of the day, because you're first time directors, right? So I remember Kavi और मैं बैठे हुए in the monitors here, and his first line is very simple. He walks into a room and he looks around and he's like, Papa, it's time to die, man. Right? That's his first line. He just tells two goras, time to die. But the first time he comes and he's got glasses hai, unka baal, he's in one leopard print kind of a thing, etc., etc. You know, so Kavi and I are like, and we've been working with him for a year and a half, but some people have this thing, this energy that, and he just has it. It's incredible.
It's incredible. You know, because you said cut, I moved for thing to thing because I heard it, and I think I think I love Mithila. This is it's a new era of Hindi cinema. There was a time जब आप मतलब आप भले ही अंदर से गालियां दे रहे हो, आपने कभी स्क्रीन पर
नहीं
क्या हुआ है हमें I love it. I just want to put it out there that I love it. It's real and it's lovely to see because that's how an actor becomes a real person in our head, right? Otherwise मेरे दिमाग में ये स्टार है, ये ऐसे बोल ही नहीं सकता, तो वो स्टार ही रहेगा. But when I heard Mithila Cuss, and not just Mithila, anyone else, जो तो 2-4 गालियां देता है लड़के तो दे.
हाँ, you never heard Mithila Cuss before.
मिथिला दे 2-4 गाली दे मला मराठी मध्ये बोल.
Little things में गाली नहीं दी जाए.
नहीं
गालियां नहीं दिए, थप्पड़ नहीं लगाए यार.
थप्पड़ इज यूज्ड लगाना चाहिए. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मर्दों को नहीं पड़ी तब तक दे डोंट लर्न एक्सेप्ट वीर. आई थिंक ही इज लर्नड एंड कम. ऐसे मतलब प्यार.
She also has 3 action sequences.
What are you
She
saying?
fights properly in this movie. Proper action choreography and
I just want to thank you for like focusing on women so much. I keep getting this
all my life.
है ना.
Before they talked to me also, I was focusing on
But I was just going to ask you, have the sense about become like cool with this? क्या हो रहा है? I love it.
But Touchwood, they've been incredibly cool.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it is because I've seen it everywhere. Were you cool or तुला ऐसे नहीं हुआ?
नहीं हुआ ना, because like there is an extent of galis that you give, and then whatever I have said, I don't say that.
I want to know मिथिला लाइफ में तुमने कौन सी गाली सबसे बदतर वाली दी है?
Fuck बोला है.
नो दिस इंग्लिश गाली सा नाही बोलू. तावडे तू मला बोला. I'm telling you कौन सी सबसे बदतर.
मला वाटतं ना माझे आई बाबा ऐकतायत.
तो तुम फिल्म में नहीं दोगी गाली अगर कर. No. What are you saying?
No, in this film, no.
No, she doesn't cuss in the film.
I know. I'm just saying this is a general question. तुम नहीं देती गाली फिल्म में अगर तुम्हें.
At some point, if my parents become cool suddenly,
अले.
because I'm still living with them. Na? If I live like outside, then I'll be fine.
But the drugs and all they know about.
So, Veer, was it tough for you to do this as your first this thing, or were you fully prepared?
This is very tough, yeah.
You're a global star, Veer. Let's talk about that. I mean, where have you not been? I keep seeing you and everything. I was like, एक दिन तो ये मेरे हाथ में आएगा.
Pakistan I've not been to. Everybody keeps telling me to go, but I've not actually gone there.
As Happy Patel, the jasus, I can promise you, you will go. What are you doing in Goa, bro?
I lived in Goa for 4 years, na. Pandemic में 4 साल में I lived in Goa, so I wrote a movie about Goa, यार. तो Happy Patel का log line ये है कि 2 British MI5 agents एक brown baby ले जाते हैं in 1989. वो गोवा में shootout चल रहा है. My mother gets shot and they take a brown baby to England and they raise me as Happy Patel. खुश हूँ, बेवकूफ हूँ, बैले करता हूँ, सैंडविचेस बनाता हूँ, एक कैफे चलाता हूँ. And cut to present date, MI5 की कोई scientist kidnap हुई है by Mona Singh's character and they need to send somebody into a chawl in Goa. So my character is told he's Indian and trained to be Indian in 3 weeks based on Bollywood movies and dropped into a chawl in Goa where he meets Roxy and where he meets Rupa and we all take on Mama.
Every time I have asked people, like today I didn't ask you, but every time I ask a director or filmmaker कि सिस्टर की कहानी के दिल tell me जाके 16 को देख लो.
Oh yeah.
ये I will take your bite and I will play it here as because I can. I will play it here for other directors and filmmakers to say just as soon as they say the heroine or hero whoever because they'll be like 16. Look how Veerdas gave us what this film is about.
Mr. Scorsese, if you ever come to Verispa's studio.
That's what the film is about. We are anyway going to watch it or not because you didn't. But you must tell us. 16 January ko jao. So that much they're clear about. Veer, I have always wanted to ask you this question, getting more serious but in comedy. And like I told you कि मैं आप उनमें से सबको अलग तौर पे जानती हूँ, right? I met you all at different times, etc. वीर की also हमारी बहुत पुरानी हमने एक डिनर किया था साथ में. हमारी बहुत अजीब सी फोटो है साथ में somewhere जहाँ पर 5 people are.
I'll tell you about this dinner also. ठीक है, तो एक अतुल Kasbekar was my manager and he invited me to. Now Atul Kasbekar एक fashion photographer and I think he's very used to being around beautiful women, right? और मेरे को बुलाया गया था and कवि को बुलाया गया था at this dinner because we were new clients at Bling or whatever. But we are both just sitting and eating, me and Kavi, and we're like, I don't think we are good looking enough for this table.
Oh God.
So it is a photo of many beautiful women with Atul Kasbekar, who looks like he belongs in the photo, and Kavi and I look like we are photoshopped it.
This picture exists. It's a very weird rail garden. There are at least two. There's one where I was standing at I don't know why.
He used to shoot the Kingfisher calendar,
He used to shoot
right?
the Kingfisher.
Yeah.
And imagine then, over the years, I've seen Veer's stand-ups and I've seen him grow and I've seen him get into controversy. I've checked out his political opinion. I've seen him be loved. I've seen him not be loved. I have been very proud of him. And then I have asked him one day on this thing, tick, 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 after 2 Indias happened or something like that, कि वीर मुझसे बात करो. वीर तभी भी मतलब औरतों से प्यार उनको हमेशा है. तो he has written me a very nice जवाब right back saying कि you know, as much as I know that you're a good interviewer, I was like, अरे बड़ा वाह क्या पैक दिया है सर ने मेरे को ऐसे चढ़ा के, अब तो कुछ भी गलत नहीं बोल सकते सर. So he says, as much as I know that you will do a great job with it and justice to it and all that, but this is not the time. I did that. I was like,
I said, on policy, if I talk about issues, I use my own platform and I never use another person's platform.
so this is like a policy thing. However, today is a...
You ever seen me on a news channel?
No.
You ever seen me on a news panel or a primetime debate or anything like that?
Why not, Veer? Don't you think we need your voice though?
Firstly, my platform gets more views. But secondly, never. On policy, never.
All right. So let me ask you this today. After I don't ask you about a specific thing, but this is something because of you. Because I think the world needs to educate us or know how to think. This is one of my main themes in life, that how to think better. How do we think about comedy, whether it's in film or whether it's on stage? Should there be Hindi? Should there be एक लाइन होनी चाहिए? वो लाइन क्या है? कैसे हम इसके बारे में सोचें ताकि अगली बार अगर मेरे पास ओपिनियन ना हो कि I see somebody, Mithila does a great bit or whatever that is, or Srishti sings something amazing and people are in, how do I think about it ताकि मैं इन भावनाओं में ना बहूं मगर मैं I'm able to keep my own integrity and say no, this is a piece of art, or this where do we draw the line?
I think, this will be a slightly serious answer.
हाँ मेरे को चाहिए वीर दास का ये जवाब मेरे को चाहिए.
The problem with comedy is binary response, right? या तो हंसी आई या हंसी नहीं आई. There is no okay comedy, right? There is an okay singer. There is an okay footballer. There is an okay dancer. There is an okay film. There is no okay comedy. It either made you laugh or it did not make you laugh. So you either love a comedian or you hate a comedian. Right? This is this thing. Now, line kidhar hai? The comedian's job is line idhar hai. I will walk up to the line and look the audience in the eye because it is me versus you in a comedy show. One of us will win, right? But you set where the line is as the audience. I think we all know that there are jokes कि 12 साल पहले हम करते थे, अभी नहीं करेंगे. You know,
और people will bring that up and say ये बोला था तू 12 साल.
That's fine. But I'm saying the point is, आपने line को हिलाया है, audience ने. You've moved the line, saying no, this is now sexist. Oh no, this is now unevolved. But wherever you move the line, don't get upset because we walk up to that line. You are in charge of the line. So I think if you see something that you don't like comedy-wise, understand that you are educating the comedian, and much worse than what you can do to a comedian through systems, this and that, etc., etc. Nothing is worse than silence. Nothing is worse than a joke that doesn't work. So if I do a joke that doesn't work because the audience has moved the line and I witness silence from the audience, instantly I've evolved as a comedian. And nothing is worse than that. So just respond. You're allowed to be offended. You're allowed to be happy. You're allowed to express. You're allowed to tweet. You're allowed to say everything you felt about it. Say it. I'll listen to it. Mouth shut, head down. Just stop making phone calls. Tell me what you think. Don't laugh. Tell me. But don't call up 5 people. You're in charge of the line. Then you can't move the line and I can't step up to the line anymore. Does that make sense?
Well said. I'm still going to give you one more step ahead because we've said this so much in English and I get it. But क्या आपके हिसाब से ऐसी कोई and in film as well, right? I suppose film has it because people get offended by these two things: films that you're stepping into and comedy that you've always been one-on-one. The only thing is, ab film mein you have so many characters who are carrying that burden, if I may so say. But एक comedy में आप अकेले होते हैं and you're getting all of this. तो आपको ऐसे लगता है कि films हो या फिर comedy actually primarily should not. This is wrong कि religion के बारे में बात नहीं होनी चाहिए. ट्रांस के बारे में बात नहीं होनी चाहिए. इफ समवन इज क्या फिजिकली हैंडीकैप्ड उसके बारे में आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कॉन्सेप्ट्स लाइक दैट. इज देयर समथिंग विद इन द कॉमेडी कम्युनिटी और इवन विद द फिल्म कम्युनिटी जहाँ पे ये डिसाइड होता है, इवन आई डोंट नो इफ रियली होता है क्या कि नहीं ये
आई डोंट नो यार, लाइक एवरीबॉडी हैज टू ऑपरेट अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ओन मोरल कंपास ना. तो मेरा मोरल कंपास है कि मैं कभी एक बीमार बच्चे के बारे में जोक नहीं लिखूंगा. To me that feels wrong. I would never make fun of a sick child, for instance. But I think that line is different for different people. Now films में it's all in the telling of it. You know what I mean? Film का tone क्या है? How much is fictional? अगर कोई खराब चीजें कर रहा है, how much do you lionize that person? Do they have consequences? अगर toxic behavior है in a movie, are there consequences for that toxic behavior? Shahrukh Khan, Dar, best example.
Correct.
Horrible human being who the audience loved, by the way, but serious consequences now for the horrible human being at the end of the movie. So there's a certain way of telling that story also, and then there's a way of telling that story without those consequences also. But what do I know? I'm new in the film industry. I made one movie, but to me, every type of film that I don't want to watch, when it works, it leads to 3 films that I want to watch here. Do you know what I mean? There's just more money in that industry. So a film that I may not relate with greenlights 3 other films that I would relate with. So I'm like, everybody tell your own story. Stand-up is truth. Film is fiction. So you can't equate the two at all.
क्या बात. Okay, but I know that I feel from this conversation that you would not make a movie where the villain did not have consequences.
Yeah, no, she has consequences.
I'm crazy one.
Ladies, I must ask you this now because इस film में ही alpha male का इतना जिक्र हो रहा है and he's been to alpha male. How much you're talking, we step back.
You ask me the question, yeah. Mithila, what do you think of stand-up comedy, yeah? As a comedian.
No, you're right, I did. No, this is just ladies. Generally, just as women in the industry. Industry में क्या चल रहा है हमें बताओ. Tell me one thing that you've noticed in the past year or so that perhaps from a woman's point of view, an actor's point of view, a woman actor's point of view, needs changing and perhaps, I don't know, I see it happening here.
मुझे honestly ऐसा लगता है कि to see that change in our industry ना, we need to have more women.
Correct.
मतलब कैमरा के आगे भी और कैमरा के पीछे भी, राइटर्स भी, डायरेक्टर्स भी, we need more women because उनका पर्सपेक्टिव भी आना चाहिए, because आजकल क्या मतलब for years we've only been seeing male dominance, directors भी, DOPs भी, everybody in crew. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम जब औरतों को ज़्यादा inclusive करेंगे तो चेंज आएगा. तो विमेन ओरिएंटेड फिल्म्स ही कितनी बनती है इंडिया में? हार्डली. फिर बोलते हैं कि चलती नहीं है, बट एक ही तो आती है ना साल में, कैसे चलेगी? हैव मोर फेथ, पुट मोर मनी इन, and believe that we can make a change,
पर मैं एक जरूर बताऊंगी कि ये फिल्म पे even like behind the scenes a lot of stereotypes were broken. We were all sharing vanities. We like he said didn't have like personal person or anything. इसमें बहुत मजा आया कि all of our opinions were taken. We had table reads. We were all like we had opinions to give and they were heard more than just anything else. तो बहुत सारी चीजें बहुत रिफ्रेशिंग थी on this set. हम सारे on set because phones were not allowed. Not allowed meaning they were not banned, but then we actively also participated in conversations with each other. हम एक दूसरे के बहुत अच्छे दोस्त बन गए eventually. तो वो मुझे बहुत मजेदार लगता है. मुझे लगता है लिटिल थिंग्स के बाद ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं. कार्मा के वक्त हुआ था थोड़ा सा, हम वैनिटीज के बाहर ही बैठते थे बिकॉज इरफान सर वाज ऑलवेज लाइक सिटिंग अराउंड, लॉइटरिंग अराउंड, ही वाज अ चिलर. तो वो कल्चर वहां पे था. लेकिन यहाँ पे देयर वाज मैंने टेबल रीड्स बहुत कम किए हैं फॉर एग्जांपल, जहाँ पे आई कुड आल्सो लाइक इनफैक्ट Veer and I also did a one-on-one on like what you sit and you tell me what do you think about the character and then how do you want to bring your flavor in and all of that. So I know the number of projects that I've done like that, but I can count them on my fingertips कि कितने ऐसे हुए हैं, कितने instances जहाँ पे मेरी opinion सुनी गई है या पूछी भी गई है, for example. And now that I've worked in like different industries also na,
Correct.
South and everywhere. So this was a very refreshing change in general. So I feel like if we continue with this kind of a culture a lot more, it will be we will all live in harmony.
Fair, refreshing opinion. What I'm hearing is yes, involve us more and it will be fine. Na? Matlab,
I also feel like abhi powerful because men have the power right now. I feel like they can also be better allies in the sense when she says that give opportunities, like step back and put us ahead or like take our opinions, or that's all that I mean from where I stand. I feel like, hey man, I'm not ready to write a script क्योंकि मुझे नहीं आती, लेकिन I'm saying कि those who can, and if you have the power as a male producer, because I mean, for the lack of a better word, just invite, talk, see what can be done with it, and then give that opportunity, because you have the power to give the opportunity.
Only for this one of these reasons, I hope Happy Patel does really well. So people see you. Like I said, it's not. I mean, I just kept saying, oh, there are women. Oh, there are women. Oh, there are women. It's not the first thing I
There's
look.
always lots of women.
Lots
But-
of women.
but
Even
also-
the cops.
Even the cops. So,
Yeah.
there's like 3 guys in this movie. Amir, myself, and Sharif.
Sure.
And Imran, this thing. But also to pay a compliment to this thing, if you cast a lady, एक ऐसा रोल दो जो वो यूजुअली उनके लिए लिखा नहीं जाता है. टू गिव यू कॉन्टेक्स्ट, वायलेंट पॉइजनस विलन जो पूरे फिल्म में
She looks like a मक्खन
जो-
का टुकड़ा.
जो पूरे फिल्म में कत्ल करती है. ठीक है.
हाँ.
5 fight sequences, 4 fight sequences, about proper fight sequences, weapons expert, technology experts,
Mm.
dealing with guns and weapons.
हाँ.
तो मैंने काफी हीरोज को देखा है. मिथिला ने उनसे ट्रिपल रिहर्सल किया है एक एक्शन सीक्वेंस के लिए. हीरोज काइंड ऑफ आते हैं, like हाँ क्या है, फाइटर कर लेगा, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा
I'll fight
एटसेट्रा.
with
She's triple rehearsal किया है इसने. So she's flipping, kicking, doing all of that stuff, etc. etc. मोना और मीना एक one shot
Fight sequence.
2-minute fight sequence है, which never cuts. एक steady cam camera पे, and we both discovered our age. so
Amir Khan is budget.
ये sequence is like a knife fight, this and that. तो 2 मिनट के लिए कैमरा कटता नहीं है. ठीक है. तो we had to add pans कि ऐसा फाइट किया, फिर मैं इधर गया, वो इधर गई, मोना पे कैमरा गया, मैं इस तरफ, फिर कैमरा मेरे पर आया, मोना जगह है यहाँ पर. Right? I've never seen heroes rehearse this hard for action.
Ladies, for you. Sushi, thanks. I was just going to come to you. When this is what a little birdie told me. I don't know. Sushi, तुम picture लिख रही हो, मैंने सुना है.
Oh.
Are we supposed to not say this?
I don't know because I'm doing it for the first time. मेरे को नहीं मालूम कितना बताना होता है.
Okay.
I'm looking.
Can we just start? Do you have any opinion on this?
But when the journalists used to ask me, does she really look like this? Does she really wear those braces? I'm like, बता दूं क्या हम?
मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लेसन दिया गया. I think Imran told me once. He's like, कभी interview, you're different, but he's like, कभी serious journalist के साथ don't be funny.
Don't be funny.
Did you just call me or not like I'm? He said,
Serious journalist.
I don't know how to take. Am I a serious guy? I'm just having an identity crisis. But you're right.
Malishka, remember 2G? Cell phones?
Yeah.
Serious journalism died with 2G. दोनों का एक साथ देहांत हुआ. There is a Nokia 2G buried next to serious journalism.
You're saying this is your first film, and I was asking them about films. As a viewer of films, तुम्हें क्या लगता है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री कहाँ जा रही है? तुम देखते हो बहुत सारी पिक्चर.
हाँ बहुत ज्यादा
क्या क्या लगता है प्रॉब्लम क्या है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के साथ कि इस वक्त पिक्चर अच्छा काम नहीं कर रही, except if it's like say Dhurandhar which has 800 crores and hopefully Happy Patel because he's a spy and it's sounding like great fun.
बहुत सारे लोग येड़े हैं थोड़े से. मतलब कुछ भी प्रायोरिटी है किसी का, मतलब मोस्ट लोगों का प्रायोरिटी बहुत अजीब है लाइफ में भी और ऐसे काम में भी, तो दिखता है हर जगह. बस
उतना ही है.
I love you deeply. It's a damn good answer.
I want to understand 2026 has just begun. People have been going through so much, but I also want to ask you guys because individually you look like nice, healthy, shiny, happy people. क्या करते हैं आप अपने mental health को चकाचक रखने के लिए? I do the segment called Monday Mental Health because this is how I can contribute to society every Monday because after the pandemic. So I think people need to know. Let's start with you. You look like your mental health is fine.
Hey guys. मैं कॉमेडी करता हूँ मलिश्का.
वो तो तुम्हारे मेंटल हेल्थ के प्रॉब्लम्स का भी रीजन है.
लोग समझते नहीं कि कॉमेडी क्या है. ये बड़ी मिसकंसेप्शन है कि कॉमेडियन ऑडियंस के लिए कुछ कर रहा है. यू हैव अ स्टैंड ना, कभी खड़े हो एंड 5000 लोगों की हंसी आएगी ना तुम्हारे अंदर. दैट इज स्किन केयर, दैट इज हेल्थ केयर, दैट इज मेंटल केयर, दैट्स एवरीथिंग. टुडे मेरी वाइफ का नाम शिवानी है. शिवानी knows कि अगर 4 बजे लड़ाई होगी, I'll be talking about it at 8 p.m. to 5,000.
No, shut up. You write your scripts that quickly. You're not writing anymore.
But in my house, everything is fair game. So all of my problems I get to work out on stage, and no se हंसी मिलती.
हम बाकी दरिंदे क्या करें?
Imagine you pay a therapist for your problems. I charge money for my problems.
Everyone should be a stand-up comedian. Yeah, but like, is there a tip that you'd like to give people who are mere mortals like us? क्या करते हैं मतलब? Apart from work, I mean, is there anything जो आपको ऐसे लगता है?
I think जो दिन के पहले 2 घंटे हैं ना, जब आप उठते हो, वो आपके अपने होने चाहिए. तो मेरा एक छोटा सा रूम है, एंड मैं सुबह उठता हूँ 6 बजे, एंड आई से गुड मॉर्निंग टू माई वाइफ, एंड मैं उस कमरे में जाता हूँ, और मैं 8:30 बजे तक किसी से मिलता नहीं हूँ, ना फ़ोन है ना कुछ. मैं कुछ लिखता हूँ, मैं कुछ पढ़ता हूँ, मैं कुछ करता हूँ. लेकिन जो दिन के जैसे ही आपकी आंखें खुलती हैं ना, 2 बजे 3 बजे व्हाटएवर, आफ्टरनून एनीथिंग, वो 2 घंटे आप अपने लिए रख लो, एंड जस्ट बी विद योरसेल्फ फॉर 2 hours a day. That's helped me tremendously.
That's a good one. Mona?
I think with life ना वो maturity आ जाती है because you see so much, life teaches you so much. तो मेरे लिए अभी I've realized that phones are not really important early in the morning when you wake up. Keep it away. You know, have a slow morning, nice morning. Be in a state of grace. I don't take anything too personally. I don't take myself too seriously. मैं रोज meditation करती हूँ, yoga करती हूँ. Or I go for a nice long walk in the evening. It just keeps me calm and peaceful and happy.
There's something very recently I've realized and I don't think I've gotten better with it. लेकिन मैंने सीखा जरूर है how to set my boundaries.
Very important.
कैसे करते हो?
पर मतलब वो circumstantial है, like
मला झोपायचं आता मी बाहेर नाही येणार.
बेसिकली लाइक आई फील लाइक कि मुझे बिल्कुल फोमो वगैरह नहीं होता कि अगर मुझे 10:30 बजे सोना है तो मुझे सोना है, लाइक इट्स दैट्स इट. सो जो भी सर्कमस्टेंशियली व्हाटएवर यू थिंक वर्क्स आउट फॉर यू, आई हैव जस्ट बिगन टू लर्न हाउ टू डू दैट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि मैं कोई एक्सपर्ट हूँ, मुझे आ नहीं रहा है, लेकिन मैंने ये सीखा है कि जब आप वो कर पाते हो तो इट जस्ट opens up a brand new world, and it is really liberating. So
Super. There are ways to make you happy also. Srishti Tawde, आता मी तुला, I'm just looking at you now. Next is you.
I do something I love. मेरा फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ द डे है कि मैंने ना अभी एक जर्नल बनाया है खुद के लिए, जिसमें इट्स लाइक अ बुलेट जर्नल, जिसमें एवरी डे यू फिल अप ऐसा हैबिट ट्रैकर, मूड ट्रैकर, ये ट्रैकर वो ट्रैकर ऐसा, विच आई डू फर्स्ट थिंग एंड लास्ट थिंग इन द डे एंड नाइट. एंड आई बेसिकली मैं अपना वो बदलती रहती हूँ पूरा सिस्टम की, हर थोड़े थोड़े दिन में सब रीसेट कर देती हूँ दिमाग में कि अभी जो भी सीखा था अभी तक का वो सब साइड में, और अभी न्यूली जो अभी फ्रेश सीखा है वो सब क्या बोलते हैं लोड करती हूँ. पता नहीं कि सब कौन से लैंग्वेज में बता रही हूँ मैं, बट ऐसा करती हूँ मैं दिमाग में ताकि मैं मतलब बस मैं जब बोर हो जाती हूँ ना तो मेरा थोड़ा मेंटल हेल्थ खराब हो जाता है, मतलब मैं सब कुछ ही खराब करने लगती हूँ उसके बाद.
That's when you go to her and knock and you say, मला कंटाळा आलाय.
तो बस बोर नहीं होने देती मैं खुद को एंटरटेन रखती, फिर मेरा बाकी जगह ध्यान नहीं लगता.
And also you're in your 20s, I'm guessing.
यस,
बहुत लंबी जिंदगी है बहन.
But 20s में this generation understands mental
Yeah,
health
yeah.
better than any generation before
Yeah,
them.
that's true.
I'll tell you something I missed. Please. So I what I did, मतलब सबसे major for mental health stability कि I listed out all the flaws that I see in myself or people see in me, whatever people have told. और उस मतलब मेरे को ही ज़्यादा दिखता है, तो वो सब मैंने लिस्ट करके चैट जीपीटी को बताया कि ये सब ऐसा फ्लॉ है और फिर मैंने उसको बोला, तो ये सब कुछ सारे फ्लॉज वगैरह बताया. फिर चैट जीपीटी को बोला कि मेरे को एक 30-day प्रोग्राम बना के दो जिसमें एवरी डे आई विल डू सम लिटिल माइक्रो टास्क्स एंड वर्क ऑन दीज फ्लॉज बेसिकली. मतलब जैसे प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन हो गया, या मेरे को ऐसा लगता है मैं बहुत रूड हूँ तो मेरे को काइंडनेस रिमाइंडर वगैरह ऐसा सब मैंने बना दिया.
It's so good. Yeah. There are presidents of US इतना introspection नहीं करता है जितना तू करती हो. Well done. Yeah.
यहाँ लग तो फिर
तो वो करती हूँ रोज सुबह उठ के. मैं
किया तुमने आज किस चीज पे काम किया? तो
एक चीज पे नहीं, सब चीज पे एकदम माइक्रो टास्क होता है, मतलब 1-2 क्या बोलते हैं 20 सेकंड भी नहीं लगता उसमें, ऐसे छोटे टास्क होते हैं. तो ऑल दोज आई डू फर्स्ट थिंग इन द मॉर्निंग. और उसके लिए ना अभी मैंने बताया ना कि मैं सोती नहीं हूँ, अब सिर्फ वो करने के लिए मैं रात को जल्दी सो के फिर जल्दी उठने लग गई हूँ।
नाइस।
इतना मजेदार है वो, सबको करना चाहिए। अभी सब लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि एआई का जैसे बस खराब ही खराब होता है सब कुछ, तो मैंने वो बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट ढूंढ लिया है, लूपहोल की क्या कर सकते हैं अपने लिए बेस्ट।
But
Wow.
one suggestion, in case all of this is ghanta bullshit, na, just there is. I firmly believe in good day eating and shit day eating. Reward yourself with sugar.
Let's reverse your ages. Actually, kitni protein? Like you reward yourself with sugar. You're saying. Let the spike.
Today's a damn good day. Gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun.
Today's a shit day. Gulab
Cupcake.
jamun.
So amazing. Thank you so much. Please come back, and I hope this film does very, very well.
बजाते रहो बाबा, बजाते रहो
90.5 Red FM.
बजाते रहो